Hey guys, it's Dennis here again with Team The Brew, like always, and in today's video we're gonna have a look to the topic called why payout doesn't matter for CPA marketing. But before we jump into the content, if you haven't joined our free Facebook group, you can click the link below into the description where you can ask any question you would like and Team The Brew will help you with anything you need. So let's jump into the content. Hello to everyone and welcome back. Like I said before, today's topic is why payout doesn't matter for CPA marketing. So when you're looking for offers to test within your affiliate network or maybe with an advertiser, why the payout metric it's not a good starting point. So let's have a look to the slides I have prepared for today's video. So the first slide is up here. So why payout doesn't matter for CPA marketing. So let's have a look to what payout is in CPA marketing. First, so if you are new to CPA marketing, maybe you don't know what payout means. So let's clarify that one first to understand what we are talking about. So the payout is what you get paid for the conversion you produced within your affiliate network or the advertiser. So this is an example here from Max Bounty. It is a Shapora offer, and if you can look below where it says single opt-in, so that's the offer type, it says $1.15 per lead. So the lead is the sign up on the offer landing page that you produced with your traffic. So that's the payout that you get for that lead. So in other words, a payout happens when you as an affiliate marketer generate a conversion or lead promoting an offer from a selected affiliate network or an advertiser. So here below is just a screenshot from the offer I ran. So let's have a look to the metrics. So clicks 221, so leads 25, so that's conversions. Conversion rate it's 11.3%. That's on the offer landing page. Earnings are $28.75 and EPC, which stands for earnings per clicks, it is 14 cents. So 25 leads multiplied by $1.15, it is $28.75. So you actually made $28.75. So the payout is $1.15 per lead. So hopefully that explains what payout is, so that it's gonna be easier for the next slide where we're gonna have a look to another example showing you why the payout doesn't matter for CPA marketing. So let's jump to that one. So second, like I said, the best way to explain why the payout doesn't matter is to show you an example. So let's say first this. So most beginners that think that the bigger payout, the better the offer and the more money they will make. But it's not always like that. So here I have two examples. So offer A, offer B with two different payouts. So the first example is offer A, it's $1 payout, and the offer B, it's $3 payout. So this is what you are looking when you are searching for offers that you're gonna promote. So let's have a look. What are the results if you ran these offers? So let's assume that you get 1,000 clicks on the offer landing page, and you got conversions for offer A 250 and offer B 20, and the conversion rate is 25% for the offer A and 2% for the offer B. So if you look the earnings, you actually earn more on the offer A than on the offer B. So why is that? So you're just asking, probably the payout it's bigger on the offer B than the offer A. Yes, that's correct. But the offer landing page on the offer A has a much better conversion rate, which gives you more leads and gives you more revenue, more money. So you make more money, right? So let's have a look to the next example. So which we have bigger payouts. So $10 and $25 clicks to the offer. It is the same. So 1,000 clicks, and you get the leads on the offer A 150 and the offer B 50 leads. So like again, the conversion rate on the offer A that has lower payout produce a better revenue. And again, because the offer landing page has a better conversion rate. So you see the idea here? So it's not all about the payout. The payout, for sure, it's better if it's bigger, but if the offer landing page doesn't convert, that bigger payout, it's not gonna give you anything, right? So in other words, it's about how good the offer converts for your targeted audience. So if you're using Facebook traffic like we use in the most cases, targeting a specific audience for the specific offer, so we can say that the offer A has a much better offer landing page, so the conversion rate, than the offer B. So why is that? So this could be different elements. So it could be that the offer landing page from offer A has a much better looking landing page. So they put more effort to build and create the landing page, which gives you the better conversion. It can have better ad copy, so the landing page copy. So they put more effort to actually write and create the copy of the offer itself. Or it could be even that the offer A has less information to fill in to actually make a conversion. It's a lot of elements going on here that actually gives you the conversion rate. So if you see from these examples here, we can say that when you're looking and searching for offers, so don't pick the offers by the payouts. So it's all about EPC, so earnings per click, right? So right now you're probably thinking, how should I pick offers to test? And the answer is very simple. The best way to find out if the offer is good or not is to test it. So test, test, test. So if you don't test it, you don't know how it's gonna perform. So let's say that what you can do to actually get a good starting point. So what you could do on your side is to ask your affiliate manager about the social EPC, so not global. So that EPC that you see inside your affiliate network is the global EPC, so combines all the traffics together from all affiliate marketers that run or ran that offer before, right? So you can ask your affiliate manager for the social EPC for a particular offer, which can give you a good starting point when picking up offers to test. What you can do, you can actually create a list. So let's say 10, 20, 30 offers that you like and you think that could be a good fit for yourself. So that actually for the verticals that you know something about, and send that list to your affiliate manager and ask if he can give you or she can give you the social EPC for all these offers. So this doesn't mean that you're gonna get that. So it depends of the affiliate manager if he wants to do that for you. So, but you can do that, and if you do that, you know that you done the best you can from your side, right? So this is what you can do when you're picking the offers. And if you look on the right side, this image, it's all about testing, how I said. So test, optimize, repeat, measure, analyze, and test more. So hopefully I gave you an overview to understand why the payout doesn't matter in CPA marketing. it's pretty much everything about EPC, right? So how the offer landing page converts with the audience you have sent to the offer. So that would be all for today's video. So hope you enjoy it. Like always, if you have any additional questions, just type it below in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.